Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. This video, I'll show you how to make chocolate mousse. It's really fast and simple to make. To get started, get a pot of water and turn it on medium heat. Add 170 grams of semi-sweet or dark chocolate to a bowl and 3 tablespoons of butter. Put the bowl over simmering water and melt together. Oh, and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set it aside for a few minutes to cool down. Now separate 3 eggs. Add 1 egg yolk at a time and whisk until combined. Add the whites we just separated to the mixing bowl and whisk on high speed. Once it's foamy, slowly add a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk until you get stiff peaks. Now we'll add the whites to the chocolate. The first little bit of meringue you can mix in without folding. This will loosen up the chocolate so it's easier to fold after. Then start gently folding the rest of the meringue in until it's all incorporated. Be careful when folding not to lose all the air from the meringue. Add 1/2 cup of 35% cream to the same mixing bowl. To that, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We will also mix this until we get stiff peaks. Fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture and stop mixing as soon as you see no white streaks. The more you mix, the more air you lose, and we want to keep that air so it stays light and fluffy. Divide the mousse between 6 glasses or ramekins. Whatever you use is what you'll be using to serve the mousse in. Cover with plastic wrap and let the mousse set in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This is a great dessert to make ahead of time because it will be ready the next day. And that's it! When ready to serve, you can add a dollop of whipped cream on top, chocolate shavings, and your choice of fruit. Strawberries taste amazing with chocolate, so that's what I'm going with. If you love chocolate desserts, you need to give this recipe a try. It's full of chocolate flavor and is rich and decadent. Thanks for watching! Bye!